Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Virgin Money customer service. Firstly, open any of the web browser and in the top there's this address bar. Type on Virgin Money and enter it. And from here you need to select this online banking Virgin Money website. And once you get inside this homepage, what you need to do is in the top there's this icon that says help, select that. And from here, you need to simply scroll a bit down. If you need help with your credit card, current accounts, or others mentioned over here, you need to simply open it. If you find any of the option relatable, you can also open it. And after that, you can also find the instruction over here. And if you still need help, what you can do is you can simply go back and scroll all the way to the bottom here and select this contact us. If you want to contact about savings, credit cards, or other option here, you can simply open that. And from here, you can simply call this number here for the customer service. There's this number, lost or stolen cards. You can find this number from inside UK or outside of the UK here as well. And before contacting customer service, make sure you have your account or card information ready. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.